Bangkok is seriously huge and there are a lot of different ways to navigate these bustling streets. One of the easiest and cheapest travel options are the SkyTrain, BTS, and the metro, MRT. I personally rode the SkyTrain a lot and it was quite easy to get tickets and navigate the maps. You can get a day ticket for the BTS for 150 baht, or you can get a rabbit card, which costs 200 baht, which is 100 baht for the card itself and 100 baht stored value. But you have to add value to that card manually later. As we only took the train for 3 days, we just got a day ticket for each one. Taxis are readily available throughout Bangkok and are a convenient option for door-to-door service. However, always tell the driver where you want to go to and agree on the price before you get into the car. I also read about people who warn you about taxis who refuse to use the meter, but we actually always talked to the driver and agreed on the price beforehand. If you want to ensure, however, that you get a taxi that charges the meter price, you will need to flag down a moving cab. There are motorcycle taxis that swoosh through the traffic and are usually quicker than taxis, but also not quite as safe. You basically sit behind the driver as they navigate you to your destination. They usually gather in groups at certain areas, and if you want to use one, just approach them and agree on the price of the driver. They usually wear red or orange jackets, and although helmets are actually a legal requirement for riding a motorbike in Bangkok, the drivers do not always provide one. As a tourist, you'd better insist to get one though, because it could cost between 200 and 500 baht if you are caught by the police. Tuk-tuks are just a part of Bangkok and you can almost see them everywhere. It's also a fun experience to ride one, however there's a huge but here. Every single tuk-tuk driver we encountered in Bangkok tried to scam us. They ever told us that our destination was closed, but of course they got another great tour for us. Or that they would take us to our destination, but they would make a detour to stores selling clothes or jewelry. We didn't have a problem with any of the tuk-tuks in Hua Hin, but I'd really suggest to just avoid the ones in Bangkok or to just be really careful. For the budget-conscious traveler, Bangkok's extensive public bus network provides an affordable means of transportation. However, deciphering the routes and schedules can be challenging for tourists. Google Maps definitely helps here, but as the buses also need to navigate the sometimes busy streets of Bangkok, I'd always suggest to just take the BTS. The Chao Phraya River runs through Bangkok and is quite a busy mode of transportation. You can book river cruises and fancy experiences here, but you can also just head to one of the boats there and experience a different kind of bus. Best head to the BTS station Safan Taksin, from where you can pick one of the various express boats. There are various lines with different prices. Overall, there are 4 lines and the blue tourist boat to choose from.